Hey guys, what's going on? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be talking about this... Where'd it go? Oh! It's this nifty little thing. It's called the UPEN. Easily disguises itself as a marker or a pen for easy, incognito, on-the-go vaping. So, let's go ahead and look inside the box to see everything it comes with. Now, this is the white edition. There are other colors. Inside, you're going to get your little user manual. And this little card here, I believe, does have your warranty information in it, along with a little warning on the back, just basically saying don't use this for anything other than vaping, so on and so forth. And inside you do get your micro USB charging cord, which this does plug in right here on the bottom. And one more thing in here. I have to open up the other side to get to it because it's a little stuck. Yep, here it is. And you also do get an additional replacement coil and replacement O-rings, just in case yours were to accidentally get a little bit worn out, screwing it off and on to refill the liquid. On that note, let's go ahead and show you how to refill the liquid on this. Very easy. You're just going to grab it by the metal part right up here, hold it by the glass, and twist. Doing that's going to grant you access to being able to refill the liquid. And when you're wanting to replace your coil, you're going to have to take the glass off of this part and then pull out your coil and replace it. Overall, this is a really great system, but one pretty big complaint I have about it is the fact that when you saw me open that up, saw a bunch of bubbles rush into the top, which means that this coil just soaked up a whole lot of liquid. So I found that just through normal use and when you refill it, you definitely got to shake this one out. Let's give it a little shake down there. And you're going to see some liquid up on the tip. Just go ahead and get your paper towel. Don't use your shirt like I'm doing. And go ahead and clean it off and you should be ready to go. Just like so. Overall, I think this is a fantastic idea. Unfortunately, it really does feel like this has a little bit of an issue with spitting back in your mouth. I do believe that if you were to use a thicker liquid, that may wind up not being an issue. But what I wound up doing is because the preloaded coil in here is a 0.2 and the extra one that comes with it is also a 1.2. So they're both 1.2 coils, which told me that, you know, if you put a little bit of a 50-50 mix in here, it should do pretty well. So possibly with a higher VG ratio, that issue will be prevented. But I do feel that 70-30 and 50-50 is pretty close to what some of the Nick Salt e-liquids have been, which is what a lot of our customers are kind of transitioning over to. So with that in mind, this kit may not really be the best for that. What I really see this kit being useful for is the person that really cannot be seen vaping, whether it be at their job, out in public, however the case may be. The one really great thing about this is the incognito mode of being able to just pop the dust cover on and it being able to look like exactly like a pen. That way you can just pop this in right here and no one is the wiser. Just like so. So that really is the cool thing about this, especially since it does come in also a black color. It really will wind up blending in. And really the only complaint I have with this is just a little bit of spitback you get every so often from the liquid. The flavor itself is great and so is the vapor production. Like that time, nice, good, clean vape, didn't get a dry hit, didn't get any of that. It's fantastic. Just a little bit of issue on the spitback of the liquid, but I've heard complaints about that across the board with just a lot of different systems. So I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't tell you what I saw, but at the same time, I don't think that's going to be a deal breaker for this kit. Out of 10, I'd give it a solid 8. Fix the leaking issue, I'd easily give it a 9. But otherwise, I think this is a great little unit to look out for. Again, it is the UPEN and highly recommended for those wanting to be a bit more incognito. So if you're looking for any other products whatsoever, just feel free to take a look here on the site. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And until next time, Thank you for vaping.